everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on the application of our Royal Match. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Royal Match. Here you click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about a Royal Match and then you will update your app if you find update here in this plus sign. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.